So in my backstock, I had a few items that I decided to experiment with, layering different fold techniques and playing with color combos. 6 of these shirts were part of my Halloween 2021 collection, where I created a Sanderson Sisters themed tee using the crumple technique and the dye colors of Orange Crush, Deep Purple, and New Emerald Green. I'll link the video of its creation in the details below. I wanted the crumple pattern exposed, so decided to keep the shirt open and fan fold it. Make sure to visit my Etsy store for a ton of other creative items. I have tees, hoodies, tights, dresses, men's briefs and jockstraps, but if you're looking for something more custom, DM me and we can create a piece together. So check out ogcreationstore.etsy.com. Once tied up, I decided to roll it up like a cinnamon roll or a pinwheel. Now I normally bleach my shirts for reverse dyes, using a 2 parts water, 1 part bleach solution, and let them set for 15 to 25 minutes. However, since I was experimenting, I filled a large plastic tub up with about 6 gallons of hot water and 1.5 cups of bleach and let the shirts soak overnight. The next morning, I dropped them in a 5-to-1 water to peroxide solution and let them soak for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing in cold water. The shirts were then placed in a soda ash bath for 20 to 25 minutes and then set for 12 to 24 hours until practically dry. Using the rubber bands as guide, I applied the dry dye powders to each quadrant. Here I am using Daffodil and Magenta Galactica. I top each with a layer of soda ash and then flip my little rolls over and repeat the same process, making sure to match up the color quadrants to each other. I created a barrier with foil and then added the ice and topped with more soda ash before resting for 24 hours. Each shirt is then rinsed thoroughly in cold water and then ran through the washing machine using a cold water cycle and a hot water cycle. The shirts are then dried and ironed. These are so awesome. A watery, seismic DNA pattern right on your tits. Binks approved. I post new content every Friday, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.